Are you suffering from high blood pressure and want to control it? Then watch this video till the end. Foods that you should avoid lowering high blood pressure. 1. Alcohol. Heavy consumption of alcohol on a daily basis can increase the risk of heart disease. Too much alcohol results in dehydration and weight gain. Both of these increases the blood pressure. If you take alcohol on a daily basis and cannot quit, then it is recommended to take in moderation and in recommended amounts 1 to 2 servings per day. 2. Coffee. Coffee contains high amount of caffeine, and excess dosage of it can spike blood pressure and cause your libido to come down. Caffeine may cause the adrenal glands to release excess cortisol and adrenaline, substances that typically cause a further rise in blood pressure. 3. Processed meats. Packed meats like sausages, hot dogs contain hidden sodium which can increase your blood pressure. So, avoid the hidden sodium by purchasing directly from the butcher, rather than from the grocer's refrigerated section. 4. Sugar beverages. It is no shock that soda's full of empty calories, but it is surprising how little it takes to impact blood pressure. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that just one sugar-sweetened beverage a day can bump your numbers higher. Combine that with another study in Nutrients that found reducing added sugar intake by just 2.3 teaspoons can lead to a drop hypertension reading, and you have a legit reason for steering clear of the sweet stuff. 5. Frozen dinners. So nice to heat and eat on your sofa, but you know what? These dishes are usually salt bombs. Frozen dinners and pizzas are very high in sodium. Even if you're buying a low-calorie frozen meal from a healthy brand, often when they reduce the fat content, they also dump in sodium to add flavor. Before you buy, check the label. If the sodium content of the entree is 600 mg or less, it is okay as a once-in-a-while meal. 6. Pickles. To preserve any food, salt is required. It helps the food to keep it edible for longer period of time and stops it from decaying. The longer the vegetable sits in preserving liquids and salts, more sodium food consumes. Having high number of pickles on daily basis increase your chances of getting high blood pressure. 7. Sauces. Most of the people do not realize that the sauces they are eating contains high amount of sodium. Packaged sauces and dressings are also often high in saturated fat and added sugar. Use a tablespoon or less per serving and opt for low sodium and no added sugar versions. How can you control high blood pressure? 1. Eat healthy foods. Eat more of whole grain foods, fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and reduce the intake of saturated fat in your diet. This helps you in lowering your blood pressure by up to 11 mmHg if you are a patient of high blood pressure. 2. Exercise daily. Exercising regularly for about 30 minutes a day can lower your blood pressure by about 5 to 8 mmHg if you have high blood pressure. So, it is important to be consistent, because if you stop exercising, your blood pressure can rise again. Some exercise that can help you to lower your blood pressure includes walking, jogging, swimming, strength training. It is recommended to do strength training at least 2 times a week. 3. Reduce your stress. Taking stress constantly can also result in high blood pressure. Occasional stress also can contribute to high blood pressure if you react to stress by eating unhealthy food, drinking alcohol, or smoking. So try to reduce your stress by spending more time with your friends and family. Foods to eat to control high blood pressure. 1. Dark chocolates. Eating cocoa-rich chocolates can help in lowering the blood pressure in people with hypertension or prehypertension. Choose high-quality chocolate that contains a minimum of 70% cocoa, and consume a single square, or a piece measuring about 1 ounce, each day. 2. Berries. Berries like blueberries and strawberries contains antioxidants compounds called anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. So, adding berries in your diet reduces the risk of high blood pressure by 8%. Enjoy berries as a snack or sweet treat after meals, or add them to smoothies and oatmeal. 3. Carrots. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds, such as chlorogenic, p-coumaric, and caffeic acids, that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which may help lower blood pressure levels. People prefer eating carrots in different ways, like raw or cooked, however eating them raw can reduce the level of high blood pressure. Daily intake of 16 ounces 473 milliliters of fresh carrot juice for 3 months led to lower the blood pressure level. 4. Oats. Oat contains fiber called beta-glucan, which can reduce blood cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan may also lower blood pressure. A study has found that daily consumption of beta-glucan can lower both systolic blood pressure (SBP) and diastolic blood pressure (DBP). 5. Banana. Banana contains potassium. It is a mineral that manages the hypertension. Potassium reduces effects of sodium and alleviates tension in the walls of the blood vessels. Having one medium-sized banana contains 422 milligrams of potassium. 6. Spinach. Spinach is high in nitrates. It's also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making it an excellent choice for people with high blood pressure. Consuming 16.9 ounces 500 milliliters of a high-nitrate spinach soup daily for 7 days experienced reductions in both SBP and DBP. Diet can have a big impact on your blood pressure. Foods high in salt, sugar, and saturated or trans fats can increase blood pressure and damage your heart health. By avoiding these foods, you can keep your blood pressure in check. A diet full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help keep your heart healthy. If you liked this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.